how to add clock widget in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now, to add clock widget, all you have to do is you have to go on the menu bar and you have to click at the point where you can see the time as well as the date. Once you click on that, the widget option will be enabled and you can click on edit widget. But if you don't see date and time on the menu bar, then if you're using MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, you can slide 2 fingers from the right hand side on the trackpad and then you can see the widget option will be enabled. Or else you can just simply go on the right hand side top corner and just do a simple click over there. Then also the widget option will be enabled. Click on edit widgets and in this you can search for clock, or else you can directly select clock over here and all the clock widgets will be visible here. Currently you can see there is this option, there is display current time option, world clock option, and you can select 2 types in this one is S and one is M. So it might be small and medium, and whichever option you choose, you can see the interface is changing as per the S and M size. So you can add any of this. For example, if I want to add this particular widget, world clock widget, I will just simply tap on plus option and you can see on the right hand side I am able to see the widget clock or the clock widget. If you want to remove it, you can just simply click on minus option over here and that particular widget will be removed. So there are multiple clock widgets you can choose from. For example, if I want to add this one, I'm simply going to tap on this plus icon and it will be added here. To save the changes, click on done option and that's it. To enable the widget, slide 2 fingers on the trackpad from the right and then you can see the clock widget, or else you can just simply go and click here, then you will be able to see the clock widget. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow in order to add clock widget in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.